Mr. Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is a very simple bar to make, sweet bars, but it's a very nice one. It is cranberry bars, and yeah, so check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 2/3 cup of walnut pieces. We're just gonna chop it roughly to much smaller pieces and set to side like so. For the dry ingredients, this is 1 cup full of enriched flour plus 1/4 cup. So 1¼ cup of enriched flour, but for the 1 cup I made it packed full. And a generous pinch of fine sea salt. Mix it and we're gonna set it to side. Now we're gonna melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter in the microwave. Now add in 3/4 cup of sugar and we're gonna mix it. Now crack an egg and beat it until just combined. Then mix in your dry ingredients and our chopped walnut and 3¼ cup of fresh cranberries, and just mix it. Once mixed, dump it on a square pan that is lined with parchment paper. So just spread it nicely and press it on your pan. Now we're gonna bake it at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for at least ½ hour.